Consumer Privacy Act. Okay, that's called inside the California, inside the USA. Everyone should follow the CCPA. California says that law regulates consumers greater control over their personal information held by the business. Any business, okay, for example, you go to market, you buy a SIM card, all this getting a SIM card, buying the new SIM card. You complete KYC process, that means you share your personal information with an organization. At that type of time, organizations liable to use your personal information with your consent. And you have got the consent to activate your SIM card. If organization misuses the personal information for the personal benefit given, file the case against them, right? That's called the rules and regulations and compliance. Okay, let's go to the next topic. Cyber security for individual, for the businesses. When we talk about the individual, so there are some tips for your personal as well. Because not only business gets impacted, individual also is impacted by the cyber threat. Nowadays we have good examples around the world, right? That's which we can come under cyber security. If any person uses the phishing email, that person, particular email, that person get tracked. When we talk about the tips for personal cyber security, first thing, make sure you are receiving any email. The email belongs to you. Email is the correct one. When you reply to a particular email, make sure that the email is not phishing. When you use WhatsApp, you in particular WhatsApp, you receive some messages. Make sure that person is from your known person, from known things, from your part of organization or universe. If you receive phishing messages, the WhatsApps, then do not reply to particular messages, block particular number, do not provide any confidential information particular WhatsApp number. If that person is sharing me a link, do not click on a link, do not download anything, and do not follow their path. This is for individuals. When you are connecting your devices to any network should be secure. Network should be password protected. Do not connect your systems, the laptops, your mobile phones, with the unsecure network, with the open network. And cybersecurity tips for the business. Important is you following all the set of rules, regulations for the cybersecurity. All type of framework you're following. The organization is we said is certified. The organization is ISO certified. Right? That means you're following the good, globally standardized quality products and the quality set of rules and regulations. Okay, and make sure the cybersecurity features for the organization. There should be set of rules and regulations inside the organization. So if your organization is safe and secure, then your business is safe and secure. These are the personal tips from my end for each and every one. Let's come to the conclusion. Let's do the recap. We talk about the recap. The things discussed till now. First, what is the cybersecurity? Cybersecurity is the thing. Whenever you connect any devices to the open network or internet, you have to protect your devices, hardware, software tools from the malware attack. What type of cyber attacks is? First malware, second ransomware, call each and everything. Ransomware attacks, malware attacks. Then we can say losing your data. Okay, and impact is we can say financial impact, then legal impact on your reputation inside the organization or around the globe, and data. These are the main things when we are discussing about cyber security. So always we need to follow the good infrastructure, secure infrastructure, all the devices we are using, all the kind of tools and software which we are using. It should be updated all the time. Make sure when you are using personal laptop, use the antivirus. And we know that from day-to-day activity, you got a new updates, new patches from the antivirus. We need to download, we need to install that patches in our systems. This is the important one. So one important thing, do not connect with open secure network. Do not share your credential information, personal information to anyone else around the globe. If you are not understand that the person is authorized, make sure that you identify that person as authorized or not. Then you can share the information. When you share personal information to someone else, make sure that the person is secure. When you're sharing any information through the online, through the email, make sure that the email ID is valid. You are sharing information to the correct person, not to unauthorized person. This we can say as a recap. Importance of proactive cybersecurity measures. There is the importance of taking proactive steps in our cyber security and mitigate the risk of cyber attacks. Get any impact and then you can work on it. Make sure you are already all the proactive. If when you buy the new systems, the antivirus gets installed on priority. You make sure your password is secure. So that's called a preventive approach towards the cyber security. Okay? Call of action. That means encourage individual organization to prioritize cyber security and adopt the best practices to safeguard the digital assets. Call of action. That means you have to take a first step. If you observe that your system is not secure, secure system is priority. Okay, follow the global standardized thing. And I don't think there are so many huge set of regulations. There are simple set of regulations. Update the devices, make sure password is protected, do not share anything without concerns, do not discuss anything with unaccessed or unsecured person or unsecured organization. These are the small steps. If you take small steps on priority, you are safe and secure from cyber threats. So now comes this question answer. I like to ask anyone. Anyone having any questions for me? Or to what presentation I have provided right now? Do you have any students, anyone having any questions for me?
Anyone would like to ask any question? Rashika, आगे आ जाओ.
Students, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Any questions for me?
Yes, sir. Just a minute, sir.
Okay.
Good afternoon, sir. So I just wanted to know what are the basic symptoms, like common symptoms, like through which we can know that we are under phishing attack.
The simple thing. The common facts. If you want to do a common fact that you are under phishing, that means you are losing your personal information. That means first person from that means you provide some information to the email, and that person using that information trade you. If you disclose your number, that person is calling you. If sharing information, that person is asking you. That's the first major step. That you have some more information to get. Phishing, if you download anything on your system, the phishing will you receive the email. The email has an attachment. You download anything on your systems, and the system is behaving unnaturally, right? Your mouse is not working as per the plan. The system is lagging somewhere. That means you are under threat. When you face this kind of challenges, immediately disconnect your system from all the networks. First thing, secure networks can start the scanning process on clarity and gauge the threat outside out of your systems.
Thank you, sir.
Any other question anyone would like to ask?
Good afternoon, sir. I want to know about
Yeah.
sir, what are the skills required for making career in cybersecurity?
What are the skills required is first thing, you get certified on the ISO 27001. Okay? International standardizations provide the good certification on information security. 2700 is the information security code. You complete the ISO certifications, then where you can get a good amount of knowledge about information security. How security work inside the organization, so all the rules, regulations, framework as well. Just give the boost to uniform security and towards cyber security as well. And make sure all the time just do the learning on case studies. As I said earlier, if you start learning on case studies, you will get the new knowledge about how cyber threats is going around the world and how this organization plans are working against the cyber threats. You will learn so many things if you do start working with case studies. Any more questions?
Yes, any more questions, madam? No, sir, no more questions. Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah, Monica, over to you.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for your valuable insights on the topic.
Thank you so much, students. And I seriously thank you to our director, Aparna ma'am, and Professor Nidhi ma'am, who gave me the wonderful opportunity. And a special thanks to Mr. Keshav Dixit, coordinate things with me and the organization as well. So, ma'am, anywhere I can help you.
Thank you, Kunal, for this
No, sir.
information. And you just have to stay over 2 minutes for the group photographs, right?
Sure, ma'am.
Okay.